encounter with the Siamang gibbon. When I stepped into the nearly empty zoo, my attention was immediately captured by them, those small, elegant beings whose movements resemble the dance of the wind. They were Siamang gibbons, not ordinary apes, but masters of balance and stillness, carrying within them the ancient wisdom of the forests from which they came. Their origins reach deep into Southeast Asia, yet more than geography, it is their inner memory, a remembrance of trees, rivers, and mountains where their ancestors lived in harmony with the spirit of the forest. At first, they ignored me. I sat by the glass of their enclosure and watched them scratch the ground, reflecting perhaps boredom, perhaps something like human melancholy. Their eyes were deep, tiny windows into a world few can perceive. In that moment, I sensed that their minds exist somewhere between human understanding and the collective consciousness of the forest. Every gesture, every movement, every grasp of a rope carries exact energy. One of them sat down and looked straight into my eyes, its arms extended like an octopus, movements perfectly controlled, elegant. And then I realized this was not merely play, it was a lesson. Gibbons have the ability to maintain balance not only on ropes, but across the field of energy surrounding them. When they swing between trees or hang from ropes, each motion resonates with a frequency that sustains the harmony of their space, their species, and even the microcosm of the planet around them. Then I did something spontaneous. I clapped, simply, openly, with recognition. And a miracle occurred. One of them began to move, performing swinging on the rope, expressing strength and joy. It was as if it sensed that I was not just a watcher, but a participant in its world. Then it reached its hand toward me, effortless, swift, precise. 2 times, 3 times. A touch of energy, not just body, a moment of connection beyond words. These gibbons are not only masters of motion. Their minds are developed to perceive the presence of another being, to feel intentions and respond with remarkable subtlety. Their thinking is not linear like ours, but networked. Every motion, every reaction connected to past, present, and environment. They can assess risk and reward, maintain the balance of body and spirit, and still explore and play. And here is a secret few know. These creatures are not merely part of the forest. They are its pulsing nodes. Every movement, every touch of a rope, every leap sends signals into the surroundings. Subtle vibrations that support the ecosystem's equilibrium. Their silence and attention influence trees, soil, and air. Many zookeepers see them as entertainment for visitors, yet in reality, they carry ancient codes of life that regulate the delicate connections among species and environment. Eventually, they grew tired. They returned to the ground, seemingly bored again, slightly detached from human eyes. Yet I knew I had witnessed something profound, a moment when the being of a human and the being of an animal resonate in the same field. Gibbons teach us silence, movement, balance, and presence. They show that even in limited spaces, freedom can emerge if we touch their energy in the right way. It is not merely looking through glass. It is attention that changes the vibration of the space and awakens hidden joy. And as I left, I felt deep gratitude, not just for their presence, but for the lesson the gibbons give without words. That true connection, balance, and wisdom exist in every movement, every gesture, in every frequency we can perceive when we observe with pure consciousness.